Welcome to LahLahLand. Our game app introduces a virtual character, akin to the virtual pet simulator game Po or My Boo, to serve as a friendly and supportive companion throughout the ups and downs of student life. By providing tools for stress relief and self-expression, LahLahLand aims to empower students to navigate university life with greater ease and confidence. This also extends to the general public, where anyone looking for a way to manage stress, track their mood, and enjoy a customizable virtual companion can find value in LahLahLand. First, here is the login page, and we start by entering an email ID and password. As we can see, the login failed as this account has not been registered yet, hence we click the register button. At the register page, we key in the necessary information. The first possible outcome we see is that this email have already been in use when we register using an existing email. We switch to key in an alternative example email, and we see a second possible outcome where the passwords do not match. Now, we key in both passwords as 1234 to match. And we see that this time the system reminds the user that the password is too weak, hence we key in a longer password. Now, the account has been successfully registered. We proceed to log the user in, and we are led to the main interface of the application. It shows a cute basic avatar animation and a few buttons at the bottom. We move on to the core features of the game: quests, mood tracker, and the shop system. First, we have the quest system. The quest and reward system will enable users to earn experience points and coins via completing quests. There is a Claim Your First Reward quest that allows users to familiarize themselves with the Start and Claim Rewards button. Upon clicking, the quest would start and show the user its progress. The Start button will also be replaced by a Claim Rewards button. When users click into a quest in the quest log, they will be able to view the quest information, including display name, rewards, and prerequisites. Users can only click the Claim Rewards successfully when the quest has been completed. The coins will accumulate and be used in the shop feature, while the experience points will accumulate to increase the character's level. Increasing one's level allows the user to unlock more quests for completion. Users can click the back button to return back to the quest log, as multiple quests can be started and in progress at the same time. There will only be a start button if the user has met the prerequisites to start the quest. We shall take a look at the mood tracker function with the purpose of letting players be better informed of their mood changes. We press the button and another interface pops up, asking the player for his mood. 6 mood buttons are available for the player to choose, 3 being positive and 3 being negative. We select Happy, and the page automatically jumps back to the main interface. We see a newly added sun animation as an interaction with the virtual character. We click back onto the mood tracker button and realize that the page will have a panel to tell the users to come again tomorrow. The mood tracker will be set on a 24-hour timer once the player selects a mood, and will only refresh and be available the next day. For demonstration purposes, this was set to a 3 seconds timer to go through all the moods and their corresponding animations. There is a mood log implemented to allow users to keep track on their emotions. A monthly calendar is set up where emoji prefabs will be instantiated onto the calendar upon selection of a mood. Since today's date is 29, the system reads the date and instantiates it on the 29th cell. There is a motivational message system to help motivate the users to continue staying positive. Upon 3 consecutive days of the same mood selected, a message will pop up along with the animation, with the aim of encouraging the user. Different moods have different messages, and the pop-up will only be disabled upon selection of a different mood to break the consecutive count. Next is the shop system. The in-game shop will offer a variety of items and customization options that users can purchase using in-game currency. Players earn coins through completing quests and engaging in various activities within the game. When user buys an item, they click onto the buy button and it will change to purchased, so users can no longer click on the item again. The items will be added into the bag inventory as shown. Equipped items in bag will be shown in the main game. Next is an example where users have insufficient coins. There will be a pop-up that notifies users that they do not have enough coins when they click on the item. Next, we have the mini-games function to help users reduce stress and improve their mood. There are 3 games implemented and seen on the mini-games user interface. The first game is Tricky Disc. Upon clicking play, the page will lead to the game where users have to aim and shoot at the obstacles that will randomly spawn. The game ends when the user hits the white bar and the score will be recorded. If the user hits a new high score, the system will display it to them. The restart button allows the user to replay the game, while the menu button returns the user to the game menu. The next game is Tricky Corner. Upon clicking play, the player will start moving and have to collect the points that spawn while avoiding the corners. The player will change its moving direction upon click. Particle effects and explosion prefabs enhance the user experience by adding visual flair and feedback. The next game is Dot Rescue, where the game is set up to be rotating and increasing in speed as time passes. The player has to avoid hitting the obstacle by clicking and changing their direction.